Lots of people are struggling about how to make YouTube channel, how they can start career, and how to make channel on YouTube and earn thousands of dollars from YouTube videos. If you really want fame plus money and want your career on YouTube, then follow this video till the end. Let's begin the video. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube channel in 2023. Step 1. Sign into YouTube using your Google account. Step 2. Click on your profile picture or the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Click on Create a Channel. Step 4. Choose a name for your channel and select the category that best fits your content. Step 5. Customize your channel by adding a profile picture, cover art, and description. Step 6. Start creating and uploading videos to your channel. Here are some additional tips to help you get started with your YouTube channel. Define your niche. Decide what type of content you want to create and who your target audience is. This will help you create focused content and attract the right viewers to your channel. Create high-quality videos. Invest in good lighting, audio equipment, and editing software to create professional-looking videos that stand out. Be consistent. Try to post new videos on a regular schedule to keep your viewers engaged and build a loyal audience. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media. Collaborate with other YouTubers. And engage with your viewers to promote your channel and grow your audience. Keep learning. Stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques in video production and content creation to keep improving your channel over time.